I want to show you some dishes that we made. So we have our traditional fajitas, marinated, grilled, sliced, pretty much what everybody's doing in the industry today with it. Great cut for that. Great for tacos, just amazing. There's a few other ways I love to use it. So then we'll have here stir fry. So slice across the grain, give it a marinade, quick stir fry, goes great in that application. Then we have right here an omelet, more like Southwestern omelet with braised outside skirt. What I love about the braising, it is so tender, so flavorful. Let me just show you here how easy this just pulls apart. Look at that. And all that little fat stuck in the middle there, that's just amazing. The flavor, this is one of the best braised textures I think that is out there that comes from the animal. And then we also have it in this form here for skewers. I slice it about 1/4 inch thick, maybe a little thicker, and then you pound it out just a small amount. You can even use your hands to do that. Throw it on some skewers, serve it with some chimichurri. And then as an entree steak. So this one here, I actually sous vide with some butter. Took about maybe 2.5 hours, 3 hours at 135 degrees. Give it a final sear. And then we've got some Italian salsa verde compound butter on top to go along with that. For more ideas, reach out to sterlingsilvermeats.com.